Welcome back, guys. Today we are applying for a full stack engineer role at Wipro. Okay, so I'll just give this link in the description box. Click on it and let's get started. Alright, as for the requirements, I think they want you to have some decent JavaScript skills. Okay, and it will be really good if you had worked on some modern frameworks like React.js, Vue.js, Angular, or something like that. Okay, it would be great. And a deep understanding of what motivates, inspires, and stifles software teams, experience with agile methods, along with having found the limitation and waste of. Okay, so the rest is all hocus pocus. The only thing that they want is you to have some decent JavaScript development skills. Okay, so if you have that, then just click on this apply button, and then we have some sort of declaration and some really important details that you must look through before clicking on the next button. So they are telling you what details they'll want. So for your resume, your background check information, your DOB, and your employment history and references if you have done something. Okay, now the processing purpose, how are you going to get recruited? Okay, that is really important. So they have some sort of selection process. They'll hire you on the basis of your resume maybe, and after that they'll just reference check all the details that you have provided to them. Okay, and then they'll check your communication skills. You have a PI, and boom, you get selected. Okay, so now there's not much, so just provide your email ID and scroll to the bottom. There you'll have this next button, so click on it. All right, now we are at the step 2. So we are supposed to fill this candidate profile. Firstly, connect in with any of these accounts. Okay, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Microsoft. So I'll personally recommend you to connect with LinkedIn account if you have one. Otherwise it doesn't matter much. So, and by the way, resume uploading here is mandatory. So if you haven't already created one, just pause this video, go create one and upload it here. Okay, resume, if if in some companies also they need to ask for resume, but it's not very mandatory, it's optional uploading the resume. Always do upload the resume. Why? Because you know you start seeming a little bit professional, so always do that, whether they are asking or not, whether uploading a resume is mandatory or not. Always do that. Okay, so keep that in mind. After that, just create your login account, your information, your basic informations, your address, and then we have you ever been employed with Wipro or its subsidiaries? If you are a fresher, I don't think so, but if you have done, then do provide your employer ID. Okay, so if no, then just give them n/a. Okay, because this is required, and otherwise they'll just mark you incorrect. Okay, so how did you hear about us? If you are hearing from me, just say social media, I think, and Google, YouTube, right? So we are done with this. Just click on this submit profile. Okay. All right, step 3, candidate questions. So here they are just asking you that do you want to work at Wipro? So even if you get rejected here, do you want that your data should be in the database for the next 180 days? So if they ever find a job suitable for your data, if they ever find job suitable for you, do you want them to inform you? So if you want it, then just say yes. And then they are asking you to sign a non-compete declaration. Sorry, they are asking to check that do you have a non-compete declaration, which means that are you currently working at some company or not? Okay, so they're just asking that do you have any contracts, agreements, or any obligation with your current or previous employees? So I'm assuming that you are a fresher. If you're not, then just do the needful. Okay, so I'll say no and just mark it here any. Okay, by the way, if you have this if you are answering yes, then just give the details, provide the explanation, and we're done with that. Submit. Oh, okay, so that wasn't the last submission page. I really thought it was. I'm really sorry for that. Now comes the race part. Asian. Okay, India is a subset of Asia, so we come under Asians. And after that, gender, disability, no. Veteran, no. We are freshers. Okay, so submit. All right, your application was submitted successfully. Thank you for applying. So we are done, and this was the complete process for applying for Wipro as a full stack engineer. Sorry, and I really hope you get it. So thank you for watching this.